He's grunting a little bit. We might keep him a little bit longer, but just check his stand with you. Make sure hold them.
All right. If you hit that little small button on top, that'll power it on. There you go.
Got a lot to choose from.
All right.
Checking your luggage tags. Oh, look at that.
How are you feeling?
Good. Better now. Oh, you're good. Shabby.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Beautiful.
That one we get down there. Who's this? I can snap a picture.
Thank you. Great. Thank you.
I didn't get the baby. I'm sorry.
Oh, it's got the grunts.
That's how I felt earlier. Really
Seems to
felt
be a
pretty
little on and off,
nasty.
so it just started back up again. So we'll keep him for a little bit longer.
They're saying he was getting hungry.
He might be, yeah. Usually we want